Hello, I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Vajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center 67/70 Bhusa Toli Road, Bartan Bazar, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. In this part, fifth, which is a series of making under the title of Ayurveda Inventions, Innovations and Researches which have been done by the Indians and the indigenous supports. In this series, I will discuss about the outcome of the electrodosography and its development with the ECG machine, with the electrocardiograph machine, which has been used in this experiment of getting the Ayurveda principles, Vata, Pitta and Kapha all together and its combinations and its status quantification in a human body. It appears all of a sudden with a framework of unknown. Once a patient came to our hospital come clinic, and he was very restless. Somebody said that he has a pulmonary problems with some respiratory tract related some outcomes, but I thought that he is have some cardiac problem, and it was a very hot day, so I requested him to lay down in couch, for which an ECG was very essential. After that, I examined his pulse, radial pulse, and all the electrodes were fitted in the body of the patient, and the stylus which you are seeing on the screen was throbbing from middle point to right side and from middle point to left side. So positive and negative deflection was very high, and that was matching with the throbbing of the radial pulse which I examined of the patient, and matching with the throbbing of the stylus. So nowadays stylus machines are not available. Now today we are seeing the thermal printer machines are available. So if the experiment or otherwise except the stylus machine, it was not possible to come a combination of radial pulse and a combination of ECG machine, stylus throbbing with a similarity and in a composition matching with the throbbing of the pulse, the pressure of the pulse and the pressure of the stylus is seen along with the machine and the human radial pulse. So equality was observed by me, and the composition observed by me was a tedious experience for a moment. And after that, I examined the patient and told him that you go to cardiology and take a look and advice for a cardiologist which is needed at the moment. So stylus was throbbing along with the radial pulse of the patient, and both are matching in the similar manner, throbbing and moving, and fastness and the speed was similar. So real time it was matching before me, which I saw on and felt on the machine stylus moving from left to right, and the patient pulse was throbbing in the similar manner. So I recorded the ECG of the patient and sent them the nearest cardiologist and Department of Cardiology to Medical College, and said him that this is not a case of respiratory problem. This is actually a case of cardiac problem, and patient was having the left ventricle hypertrophy with other cardiac problems. So this was the first experience which I got it. After 3 or 4 days, when I was in a very calm position sitting inside the clinic, the incident came in my mind, and the throbbing of the radial pulse and the movement of stylus that came in my mind, and I connected the idea that the radial pulse and the stylus are the same, throbbing in rhythm. What I felt that Vat Pitta Kapha estimated with the with my fingers and of the patient. So the idea crop in my mind suddenly that if the throbbing is similar, the pressure is similar, the rhythm is similar, the real time I felt the pressure of pulse and the throbbing situation, the movement of stylus, which was very fastly moving with its forces. So the idea came that is there any relation to stylus ECG machine and radial pulse? If there is any relation in between the radial pulse and stylus throbbing, then it is possibility of getting an idea, getting an conclusion of status quantification of Ayurveda principles, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Then I started to move on this idea and prepared so many electrodes to fit on the radial pulse and recorded so many meters, hundreds and thousands of meters of ECG paper have been spoiled in this experiment. But after years and days passes, I got the success, and one day Vata, Pitta and Kapha status quantification came in fact, and practice was going on. Then it was the first time the innovation came in notice the research work by National Innovation Foundation, which is working under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. And what happened, you will get it in the next video of part 6. So don't forget to see the video part 6, where you will find what happened with this technology. Thank you.